Namaskar, myself Priyanka Sharma and welcome to your channel. Friends, one of the most effective ways to release anger is through yoga. Yeah, so all the forward bending asanas or like Bhastrika Pranayama or humming bee sound will help to overcome your anger and one's impulsiveness. This anger is like when you are most stressed at the work, or maybe you have an argument with your friends or with your colleagues. At that time this anger starts bursting out, and it is somewhere in the subconscious mind, and it goes on throughout your day. Sometimes you feel lazy, you feel like too much stressed up, you feel like you have some drainage in your energies. So to boost up your, or to elevate your mood, or to overcome that anger in love, or to release that negative emotions into the positive and optimistic thoughts, then you must practice like few asanas which are forward bendings, and Bhastrika Pranayama, which is very effective to release all the anger and the toxins from the mind, and humming bee sound, which will help you to calm down your mind. So let's begin, and grab your mat. Let's do it together. So Bhastrika Pranayama, you need to sit in a folded knee, or you can just sit in a cross leg, whatever you feel comfortable in. But usually you should perform with the folded knee, both the palms to your shoulder level. You inhale and exhale, you release it, all the anger and all the negative emotions out. Okay, so it goes like this: inhale, exhale. Breathe out forcefully, breathe in forcefully. We'll do it for like 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So whatever is coming out from your nose or from your mind, just release and burst it out. So this is very good for overcoming your anger. So whenever you are in anger, you just release it out, okay, by doing this Bhastrika Pranayama. Then the second pranayam is humming bee sound. After getting anger, you will also become calm, right? Or you want to be calm mind. So to get calmer, immediately what we do is humming bee sound. So how you do that? You can just relax in a comfortable, sit in a comfortable pose, and you just do is humming bee sound by touching your tongue to your upper palate. Close your mouth and you breathe in through your nostrils, and then you start with This way you can do it like for 5 to 10 times, and just to relax and calm down that anger. Okay, you can also perform with the mudra, but if you are not in a mood, definitely when you are in anger, you will not go and do this mudra. So simply take Dhyan mudra, and you can just cool down that anger of your mind, will be very relaxed. Yeah. Now, moving after this to pranayam, you can also perform forward bending asanas, which will help you to overcome anger and the impulsiveness which is there in our head. Okay, so first asana is child's pose. We will be sitting in a vajrasan like this. Come on your knees, relax. Okay, and then you inhale, raise your arms up, exhale, forward bend. You just bow down. You like to surrender yourself. Yes, many times we don't surrender. We have a lot of ego, and that ego brings more of other negative emotions like anger, like so much of stress and ignorance and so much. So when you do this forward bending asanas, it actually cool down that anger. So we'll just stretch our arms and rest our forehead down. So it's like bowing your head. and stay here for 5. You can hold for 5 to 10 minutes here, noticing your breath. Very relaxing pose. Then we move to the second asana. From here itself is downward facing or Adho Mukha Svanasana. So we extend our arms forward, stretch your fingers wide open, come on your knees, tuck your toes, and we lift our hips up towards the sky. And just give a little more, little movements to your feet. So we press our heels down and your head going downward facing. So it increases the blood circulation to your nervous system. At the same time, whatever anger is there in your head will start dropping out, will start relaxing your mind here. So we stay for a few breaths. And generally people does have anger, and this is like very commonly seen in individuals who are very stressed at work. So you can just give these asanas movements and you will see a lot of effect and you will see a lot of calmness you will bring, because yoga is not only physical workout but it also works on your mental health. Also you move to the spiritual, so it is like holistic approach. Yeah. Then the third asana, from Adho Mukha Svanasana we go to the Uttanasana or Padastasana. So how we do that? So from here you can make this flow. So you can just walk back, walk to your feet. Like just if you can grab your toes, but if you cannot reach down, it's okay. You can just keep your knees micro bending and just shake your body. Relax your head. Relax your shoulders. In anger, you don't want to do something very stressed out work, yeah? You want to loosen up yourself. So you are trying to let go that. So just few breaths here. You can spend like for 10 breaths micro bending your knees so that you can relax your spine completely on top of your thighs. Shoulders, head relax. And then we slowly come back. Roll your shoulders back and you can move your head side to side. This gives amazing effect when you do some bowing exercises. It actually releases all the, the heaviness in the head. Then the fourth asana is Setu Bandhasana. So for that we will just lie down. So this 5 posture, you can just make it in a flow with that 2 breathing exercise, which will actually make your day well. And you can see that, okay, I can calm myself. Yes, I can control over my anger. You can just lie down slowly, lay down on your spine, keeping some distance, like 1 fist distance between your knees and your feet, equally apart. Now inhale and lift your lower back, your hips. Feel that nice stretch in your lower back, your glutes, your quads, your chin touching to the collarbone. Whatever moves upward, which improves your blood circulation towards the head region, and which will also help in strengthening your lower back, your lower body. So it's very good effect in your spine. And then relax. You can just hugging your knees. All these asanas you can just take like 5-10 breaths initially, then you can move as per your convenient, as per your time and everything. And the last asana is Shavasana. This is a favorite one. It's just like you don't have to do anything. You need to spread out your legs, your hands next to you, palms facing up to the sky, and just enjoy wherever you are, like the environment you are in. So try to choose the environment like which suits your body, which suits your mind, which gives you more tranquility and calmness. Here we try to let go, we try to drop our weight on the mat. We do not hold any part of our body. Our joints relax, our muscles relax, cooling down our mind. Take a deep breath in and let go through your mouth. Breathe in with full positive energy and think that I am positive, I am love. Exhale and release all that anger and stress and toxins from the mind. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. You can spend here for 5 to 7 minutes every day doing nothing but just noticing your body, and you bring awareness that what is happening to my body and what's the sensation, and if any kind of thoughts which is triggering, try to release and let go. Yes, and then you bring your both the palms together, you rub your palms, and then you can place it on your eyesight. Massage and heal your face, your mind. You can stretch your body, bring your feet together. Stretching up, and then very slowly bring your arms back. Fold your knees. You can turn on any of your comfortable side, and with the support of your palm, you may gently come back and sit in a comfortable posture. And very slowly, with a big smile and few blinks, you can open your eyes. Guys, you just have to understand that anger is what is there in your mind. You can control that by practicing or by exercising or by meditation or pranayama. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you will practice whenever you find that I am stressed up, or whenever you feel that you are angry, you should perform these asanas, and that too breathing exercise. And anger is very commonly seen, right? We do get angry with every small things. So I hope you will enjoy this video and keep practicing. Till then, stay blessed, keep loving, keep sharing. Namaste.